back to the channel. We are back. Here's Titi. She lost her top teeth, and then she went to the dentist today.
I lost my smile.
She keeps saying she lost her smile because she had some work done. Okay, she had some work done, and she was a good girl.
Good
Oh,
girl.
you feel hot somewhat. Yeah, she was really good.
Feel my neck.
Yeah, I can tell you feel a little bit hot.
Like,
Yo,
wow.
she's been sick from last week. So today is what day? Today's Wednesday, right?
Oh, why is this wet?
Cause I washed it. Today's Wednesday, and she was sick. She had a very terrible allergy. I don't know. She had an allergic reaction, right? And no, don't touch that part.
This part?
Yeah, and it was really bad. From her tongue, all over her body, her tongue, it was bad. So we need to get a allergy test done ASAP. She had one scheduled for last September, but it's like long gone. And yeah, we don't know what she's allergic to, so we're trying to like be on the safe side. However,
oh
my God. Yeah, wait, y'all. We are so happy to be back. Like, there's a lot going on. Come, let me hold you. No. Come, let me hold you. There's a lot going on. Show me my smile.
I'm calling.
Okay, careful. Go down. Yo, so it is very late right now. No, wait, Nene. It is now 10:23. I have to get up early in the morning. So, yeah. Am I seeing something? Oh, it's good. Yeah, I have to get up early in the morning. So, I'll continue this little vlog for you guys whenever. But yeah, it's so good to like take up my camera. I'm gonna charge my camera because we have like stuff coming up, even though those will be like separate like videos for you guys. But yeah, I'm so ready to be back. Summer is coming, even though I'm gonna be so busy for the summer. But yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned because I am so loving summer.
Mom, I'm ironing my clothes.
Yeah.
You show them.
No, I don't want to show them that. I don't want to show them your stuff. Just don't touch it, y'all. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever. I think I'm gonna make this a weekly vlog.
Remember, I say come with me. Location in the back, and the bell of my mommy will get mad at you.
Okay, come. I can't be bothered with TT right now. Let's go. I'll see you guys, and I have plenty of videos like produce for you guys. Yeah. Yo, I'm scared. Come, one more time. One more time. See, it's getting looser and looser. See that? It's loose, so let's just do it. Open up wide. Oh, sorry.
That's the wrong teeth. You did this one and then moved on to that.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. We did it! Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, yo, so I have a little update on Slyde. He had surgery, and to my surprise, he did exceptionally well. The night before surgery, I took a recording of both him and Pickles because they were together, of course. And after surgery or during the recovery process, I didn't take any photos. I didn't take any like recordings of him because I don't know. I just didn't like seeing him like that. I don't know. That was just me. I just never liked it. However, I'm gonna show you guys the clippings from the night before. Here it is. Okay, y'all. This is Slyde baby. Sit, Slyde. Sit. Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? You good? Look how big he is, y'all. He's very big. And Pickles like bit up. Pickles, leave the... If I ever beat you, don't do that. Look how his eyes are like... Yay. Yay. Pickles, can you stop? You good, boy? Oi. Pickles, get away. Y'all, they showered yesterday. And look at them now. Well, look at Pickles now. But yeah, this is Slyde Bitey. Ooh, he's happy. He's happy to see me. Why are you moving this Slyde? You see, he wants to play. But I can't. I'm going to bed right now. He's tired, y'all. Sad as eye. Y'all see how like red his eyes are? Okay, I'll see you guys. Good night, okay? High five, Pickles. Good night. High five. High five. High five. Yay. See you guys, okay? Night, night. Night, night. See ya. And now I'm gonna show you guys what he looks like right now today. He's bigger. He is like so healthy. You guys will see what type of surgery he had. So now let me just put it in. Okay, y'all, so this is Slyde. Pickles won't give him a chance, and he got his... Wait, Pickles. His ears cut and his tail. So yeah, that's what he got done, and he did well. He did extremely well. Let them see your tail, boy. Titi also went to her gymnastics competition and she got a silver medal. Yay, she did well. She had a little bit of hiccups here and there, but she did well. Anyhow, we also went to the air show and it was awesome. We loved every second of it. I remember one year for my birthday, I said I wanted to go to the air show, and then it just, I don't know, we couldn't find where it was keeping, I guess. But yeah, this year I found it, or we stumbled upon it, and we enjoyed it, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna insert the clips like of the air show. It was awesome. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. See you guys in the next video. Enjoy the planes in the sky. They're gonna make it hard. Oh. I'm ready.